Hello and welcome back to the Shreve Crump and Low YouTube channel. This is your host Sam. Before we jump right into the unboxing, let's take a brief look at the other side of the moon watches from Omega. So far, Omega has released the dark side, the white side, as well as the gray side. Each of these models comes in several different dial and strap variants. But today we will be covering the blue side of the moon with an Aventurine dial. Let's jump right into the unboxing. You will find included with this Omega Speedmaster a card wallet containing all of your necessary documentation for this watch, including the pictograms, certificate from the observatory, and warranty card. You will additionally find a booklet that will give you all the specifics about your new Omega Speedy. In the hand, this watch is incredibly light, as the case is comprised of blue ceramic. The 44.25mm watch features a blue ceramic case, complemented by a ceramic bezel ring with liquid metal tachymeter scale. It is presented on a blue leather strap with a blue ceramic fold-over clasp. You can see that even the pushers in this watch are made of this luscious blue ceramic, and the sides of the case are finished similar to a normal stainless steel or gold case. Most vividly, the dial is blue aventurine glass and includes 18-karat Sedna gold indexes and hands, as well as a date hand with a red tip. At 6 o'clock is the Aventurine moon phase indication, which features a blue enamel Aventurine moon phase disc with the moon in Sedna gold. The movement powering the ceramic Speedmaster is equally as impressive as the dial. The caliber 9904 from Omega is certified as the industry's highest standard by the Swiss Federal Institute of Metrology, also known as METAS. This movement features a column wheel and an anti-magnetic silicone escapement, both prominently on display underneath the sapphire caseback. On this 7.25-inch wrist, the blue side of the moon sits boldly but comfortably. We think it can be worn on a wrist as small as 6 inches, making this an excellent option for both men and women alike. The Allure of Aventurine is one that can be seen obviously. It looks like a beautiful night sky bursting with stars. What's not to love? And on a watch that's known for venturing to the moon, it just feels that much more special for us watch fanatics. If you would like to try this piece on and you're in the Boston area, please do not hesitate to stop by our storefront located at 39 Newbury Street. Or shop this piece online at www.shrevecrumpandlow.com. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to smash the like, comment, and subscribe button, and give us feedback as well as let us know what watches you would like to see featured next. This is Sam signing off. Hope to see you again very soon.